Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to repost a TikTok video. Alright guys, first of all, let's just open up our TikTok application on our phone and we can select a video that we want to repost. And for instance, I'm just going to repost this video. So we can click on this icon. Then we just need to click on the repost option. It's over here. Click on it. Then okay, now the video has been reposted on my TikTok profile and I'm going to check it on my profile. So the reposted video will appear right here. Click on it to check all the video you have reposted on your TikTok profile. And this is the video that I have just reposted. Alright guys, and that's how we can repost a video on TikTok application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.